The Institute of Eminence scheme has been launched by the Government of India to empower higher educational institutions and help them become world-class teaching and research institutions. IIT Madras is proud to have been selected as one of the select institutes of excellence. As part of our commitment to the cause of fostering world-class research, IIT Madras has set up a number of research initiatives in diverse fields of contemporary relevance. Many of these initiatives will go on to become centers of excellence within the IIT Madras system. A total of 68 research initiatives belonging to 21 identified technology clusters are presently underway. As part of these initiatives, it is proposed to host a series of webinars from each cluster to showcase the innovative research being generated to various stakeholders like researchers, industrialists, and policymakers. These webinars will give an opportunity to engage in conversation with eminent faculty from IIT Madras and other international researchers, and also to find more collaboration in those research areas. So why wait? Click the link below to be a part of this.